Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly Temu affiliate program. First, open Google Chrome on your device and search for the Temu affiliate program. Now click on the first link that appears in the search results. Here you'll find detailed information about the program, and once you're ready, tap on Get Started. Next, you have the options to sign up using your email, or you can continue with a Google or Facebook account for a quicker registration. If you're signing up with an email, just enter your email address and tap on Continue. Alternatively, you can go directly to the official Temu website. Then scroll down to the bottom of the page and look for the affiliate program or partner with us section, usually found in the footer or under the About Us or Contact Us menu. Once you've found the section, tap on Join Now or Sign Up to begin the registration process. You'll then be directed to a registration page where you'll need to provide some basic information including your name, email address, contact information, website URL if applicable, and the marketing channels you plan to use such as your website, social media, or email marketing. After entering all the required details, make sure to review and accept the terms and conditions of the Temu affiliate program. It's important to read them carefully so you understand the program guidelines. Once you've submitted your application, you'll need to wait for approval as the Temu team will review your details to ensure they align with their requirements. When your application is approved, you'll get access to affiliate resources like unique affiliate links to track sales and commissions, banner ads to promote Temu products on your marketing channels, and exclusive offers for your audience. With these resources in hand, you can start promoting Temu products through content marketing, social media posts, or email marketing to effectively reach your target audience. Thank you everyone for watching. I hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.